How to fix high ping on League of Legends. So the very first thing you want to try doing is update your device drivers. As reported by many players, their ping times have gone back to normal after they updated the device drivers. If you are not sure whether all of your device's drivers are up to date, then you should check. First of all, download and install Driver Easy. Run Driver Easy and click the Scan Now button. Driver Easy will then scan your computer and detect any problem drivers. Now click the Update button next to the flag driver to automatically download the correct version of that driver. And then you can manually install it. Or you can also click on Update All to automatically download and install the correct version of all the drivers that are missing or out of date on your system. After updating your drivers, check to see whether the issue still remains. Well, if it doesn't fix your issue, then in the next step, what you want to do is disable your proxy and VPN. If you are using a VPN or a proxy, make sure you disable them before getting started to play. These are useful tools to protect your privacy online, but they can also be the cause of your high ping issue. Well, to disconnect from the proxy server, on your keyboard, press the Windows logo key and I at the same time to evoke the settings windows. Click Network and Internet from the left panel, and then click Proxy from the right side. Make sure both automatically detect settings and use setup script are off. Also, don't forget to disconnect your VPN if you are using it. So that's it, and these are some of the ways in order to fix high ping in League of Legends. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.